Hey guys, welcome back to itGabut. In part 2, we gave our robot eyes using the moving average to see the trend. But we hit a new problem. The robot keeps buying when the price is too expensive, basically at the peak. It leads to quick reversals and hits our stop loss. So, in part 3, we're giving our robot feelings to sense market exhaustion using the RSI indicator. Just like before, we want flexible code. We'll create input variables for the RSI period and the exhaustion levels, like 70 and 30. Back when I used to mod forum scripts, these levels were often hard-coded or locked. But in MQL5, we'll make them adjustable so we can optimize them later during backtesting. Here's the fun part. We're combining two conditions. The robot can only buy if, first, the price is above the MA bullish trend, and second, the RSI value is below 70, not overbought yet. If the price is at the peak, the robot will hold back and won't enter recklessly. This is the secret to keeping our bot safe from market pranks. Let's test this on gold, XAUUSD. You can see the difference immediately. Before, the bot would just jump in blindly during an uptrend. Now, it's much more selective. The drawdown is lower and the equity curve looks much smoother. It turns out combining moving average and RSI is a simple but powerful way to filter out trash signals. Step by step, our robot is getting smarter, from being blind to having eyes and feelings. What should we add in part 4? Maybe a trailing stop or some safe martingale logic? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to follow this robot's journey from zero to hero. See ya!